Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Razer Synapse if it's not opening or working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have Razer Synapse running right here under your taskbar, right-click on it and hit on Exit. And once done, right-click on a blank space right here on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now just go out and find Razer. Okay. If you have Razer running right here, click on it, right-click and hit on and Task, and do the same to each Razer services. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Click on it. Now go and find Razer right here in the list. Razer, this one. Right click on it and hit on delete. Don't worry, these are just temporary files. Okay, and after that, you would want to go ahead and find Synapse right here in your search bar. Now click on Open File Location. Right click on it. Click on Properties. Now go ahead over to Compatibility. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Disable full screen and run this program as an administrator. Hit on Apply. Hit on Continue. Hit on OK. Now go ahead and double click on it and it should work now. Okay. If that still will work, you will have to uninstall it. Okay. Uninstall Razer Synapse right here. Add or remove programs like so. Go ahead and find Synapse. Uninstall. Okay. Once that's uninstalled, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and reinstall it. Okay. Just go ahead and find Razer Synapse. Okay. Click on it. Hit on download in this page. Follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.